Hi folks, welcome to your channel Textbook MBA. Today we are going to pick up a very interesting topic, especially for people जो CMAT 2025 दे रहे हैं और आपके दिमाग में ये क्वेश्चन आ रहा है क्या CMAT में अच्छे कॉलेजेस हैं, क्या उनका ROI अच्छा है, what is the minimum required cutoff there, what are the fee, what are the tuition fee for each of these colleges, and what is the average package for each of these colleges. So let's pick up some top few colleges जो बहुत familiar है, बहुत ज़्यादा famous है, and let's talk about each of them. Let's talk about the top colleges, the required cutoff, and average package for colleges that accept CMAT 2025. So this is our team here. This is me. I am your DILR expert. ये है आशीष सर who's your quant expert and ये है रितु मैम who is your VARC expert. Here at Textbook MBA, we turn your aspirations into success. So let's have a quick look at top B schools जो CMAT 2025 accept करते हैं. The first name should always be JBIMS, which is your Jamnalal Bajaj Institute of Management Studies, which is based out of Mumbai. Then you have your Simsri, which is also based out of Mumbai. Then you have Pumba, which is based out of Pune. You have KJ Somaiya, which is based out of Mumbai. Hold on, I know what you're thinking. Sir, KJ Somaiya is not accepting CMAT anymore. Why are you spreading misinformation? Please do your research before that. ये क्या बात हुई टीचर होके आप कुछ भी बोल रहे हो? I am going to put a star next to that and we are going to discuss more on this. ठीक है? Then you have your V school, which is your Wellinger, right? They've changed they've rebranded themselves as V school, and then you have your NIMB Pune. These are just some of the top colleges that accept CMAT ka score. This year also they're accepting CMAT ka score. But let's talk about each of these in detail. कि इनकी requirement क्या है? What is their minimum cutoff in CMAT? What are they expecting in terms? What are we expecting in terms of the fees? And what should we be keeping in mind while looking at the placement? That is your average package. Mind you, ये सारा डेटा जो है has been picked from the internet, multiple sources हैं, most of them are from the official websites, but बहुत सारा ऐसा information है जो official website पे available नहीं है. So I've done my due research there, but yeah, some data may not be as accurate as in real. ठीक है? But anyway, so the major reason why a lot of people give CMAT is for JBIMS. When you're talking about ROI, return on investment, think about this. The fees is not even 9 lakhs, it's less than 9 lakhs. Yeah. But the average package last year was 20 plus lakhs per annum. Yeah. 9 lakhs ka course, 20 plus lakhs per annum. That's the best kind of a deal, right? But what's the problem? बहुत ज़्यादा competition, very little seats. JBIMS also accepts test scores from other, मतलब scores from other test also. तो CMAT में बहुत tough competition है, because यहाँ पे आपका जो competition है is not just with CMAT test givers, but with other exams also. So that opens up the battlefield way too much, too many players into it, right? So the requirement for JBIMS is 99 percentile, 99.9 percentile and above, right? 99.9 percentile and above. Again, this is not for any specific category or any specific gender. This is for a general category student. इसमें कोई भी diversity नहीं लगाया हुआ है. So this is your basic cutoff that we are talking about the general student. ठीक है? So इसका ROI देखो, look at the arrow. ROI it's humongous, right? But then the competition is also very huge. 99.9 percentile की requirement minimum है. Next, when we are talking about Simsri, which is also based out of Mumbai, the fees is very less. Yeah, it took me a while. It took me a while to look at the numbers also कि क्या मैं एक zero कम ज़्यादा तो नहीं देख रहा हूँ, right? So 67,000 is their tuition fee and 2,000 rupees is for their library fee. So around 69,000, 70,000 का approximation that also brings it up for 1.4 lakhs for the entire course for the 2-year duration. But mind you, ये सिर्फ tuition fee है, no hostel fees, no any other fees included. ये जो भी data है ये पूरा tuition fees का ही है, okay? And their average package was 12 lakhs and above, right? So which is a very good deal provided the amount of investment that you are doing. Huge ROI there. Then you have your KJ Somaiya. I know KJ Somaiya को लेके बहुत ज्यादा डाउट है कि सर this time GIM Goa and KJ Somaiya they are not accepting CMAT. सर ये मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन है, मैंने वापस स्टार लगाया है. I'll tell you what the deal with KJ Somaiya is. Okay, KJ Somaiya का सीन ये है that because CMAT बहुत ज्यादा लेट होता है, this time they've said no to CMAT. However, they will accept CMAT का score only and only if you were to register before 20th Jan. अगर आप 20th Jan के पहले register कर लेते हो, you just have to register for KJ Somaiya saying that you will be submitting your CMAT का score, और CMAT का जब भी result आएगा तब the score will be submitted. Getting that right? So you're basically pre-applying for KJ Somaiya before even CMAT happens. CMAT का डेट 25th है. The results will come in 2 more weeks after that. So Feb mid तक आपका results भी आ जाना चाहिए. Feb first week end तक आपका CMAT का result भी आ जाना चाहिए. But the applications, however, are closing on 20th of Jan for KJ Somaiya. Something very similar happening with Wellinkar also. Wellinkar का भी 15th Jan तक का ही application है. So if you are planning on joining Wellinkar or V School, माइंड यू आपको फॉर्म पहले भरना होगा. इवन इफ यू आर ट्राइंग टू ज्वाइन वेलिंकर थ्रू से CMAT और इवन CET, महाराष्ट्र CET, स्टिल यू हैव टू फिल इन द फॉर्म बिफोर हैंड. ठीक है, तो ये 2 डेट्स ध्यान में रखना. योर KJ Somaiya का approximated fees is about 22 lakhs and their average package is about 15 lakhs, which is not bad in terms of the ROI. Then you have Pumba Pune, 5 lakh का फीस है, 8 lakhs का approximated package है. Again for Pumba the deal is the competition is quite high, so 99.9 percentile, at least 99 plus तो आपको score करना है to be in that radar. Then you have Wellinkar का percentile जो है, the cutoff is very low, right? It's just 85 is what they require, and then they put in some other things involved in there for the selection criteria. Then NIBM Pune, 98.5 percentile, 16 lakh का approximated fees है, 14 lakhs का उनका average package है. Then you have some other colleges based out of Maharashtra like NL Dalmia, which is based out of Mumbai, just 85th percentile, 15 lakhs का fees है, 10 lakhs का average package था. NIA Pune, again Maharashtra based, 11 lakhs का फीस है, 12 lakhs का approximated average package है, 95 percentile is what you require. For a test like CMAT, 95th percentile is a very easy thing that you can do because the paper is very simple. It's comparatively so simple than a test like CAT or ZAT. ठीक है? Then you have some non Maharashtra based colleges like XIME Bangalore. XIME Bangalore का कोई बेसिक कट ऑफ नहीं है, बट देन दे वुड बी वेरी हैप्पी इफ यू स्कोर मोर देन 80th percentile. 80th percentile का कट ऑफ है वहां पर. ठीक है, 15 lakhs का अप्रोक्सीमेटेड फीस है एंड अप्रोक्सीमेटेड एवरेज पैकेज लास्ट ईयर वाज 14 lakhs. Then you have your BeamTech which is based out of Noida, 95th percentile, 16 lakhs का फीस है, around 10 lakhs का उनका एवरेज पैकेज था around last year. Then you have again another Maharashtra based IMT Nagpur, 90th percentile, 15 lakhs का फीस है, 10 lakhs का average package है. Mind you, the most important thing are these dates. So if you are planning on giving CMAT, you know that these are some of the greatest colleges that accept CMAT का score, right? Apart from that, there are other colleges also like Great Lakes, Chennai and other colleges also. But then they accept multiple colleges. These are a few that accept CMAT on a larger scale. ठीक है? So if you are planning on, and the list will keep going on. बहुत सारे ऐसे colleges and the list keeps going on. ठीक है? So you just stop few colleges that accept CMAT का score. with their minimum cutoff requirement, approximated fees, and their average package. So I hope this session was helpful for you. The idea is to keep yourselves motivated कि अगर आप एक IIM नहीं जा पा रहे, don't worry about that. Or if you're not able to hit that FMS, don't worry about that, because there are really good colleges, right? Really good colleges with, just look at the, ROI here, right? So think about that also. Don't get fixated just around the name I am there. Okay? And if you are planning on preparing for CMAT along with us, we are doing a crash course. अभी एक crash course चल रहा है on CMAT 2025. You can still join this. We're doing comprehensive syllabus coverage with mock tests and notes with previous year questions also discussed, and practice questions along with that, right? So you can join this with the link in the description. Description check करो, वहां पर link मिल जाएगा आपको. Apart from that, if you're planning on giving CAT 2025 or OMETS in 2026, that is, right, then you can join our batch, resolution batch, जो आता है under MBA Plus. This is the name of the product, MBA Plus. यहाँ पे सिर्फ कैट नहीं, ओमेट्स भी मिलेगा आपको. यू गेट कैट एंड ओमेट्स वैलिड टिल May 2026. So way after your CAT, your ZAT, your SNAP, your NMATs, your CETs, your CMATs, your CUETs, your ATMAs, सबके बाद तक भी you will have access to the batch, because you never know when you want to revise a particular concept, you never know when you want to give a particular mock test. Full access, yeah, where you will get 200 plus live classes, जिसको आप recorded format में देख सकते हैं, practice questions, full length sectionals and chapter wise mock test, strategy sessions on a regular basis with the faculties one on one on Google Meet, so that आपकी जो problem है at the core personal level पे we can deal with that, right? इसके अलावा the pro batch that we have has everything that the plus batch has. प्लस में जो भी है वो सब कुछ प्रो में मिलेगा, बट अलॉन्ग विद दैट यू गेट मोर ऑफ एवरीथिंग, मोर मॉक टेस्ट, राइट, मोर प्रैक्टिस, मोर नोट्स, एंड something called a mentorship program and CAT Assured, right? This CAT Assured is a very cool concept. CAT Assured में क्या होता है, that if you, for example, there are two outcomes that could come out of you giving CAT 2025. या तो आप बढ़िया, बहुत ही बढ़िया स्कोर करो और आपको टॉप 10 टॉप 15 कॉलेजेस में एडमिशन मिल जाए, राइट? दैट वे यू आर हैप्पी एंड वी आर हैप्पी दैट वी मेड श्योर दैट योर ड्रीम केम ट्रू. ऑन द अदर हैंड देयर आर सम वॉरियर्स जो जख्मी हो जाते हैं इन द बैटल ग्राउंड ऑफ दिस MBA prep, that they for some reason they either do not perform well in CAT or they are not able to convert some top colleges because of some technicalities. तो उनके लिए है ये CAT Assured, where if you get a call from any of the 15 listed B schools mentioned below, we are talking about your Blackie IIMs, we are talking about IIM Mumbai, FMS Delhi, ISB Hyderabad, XLRI Jamshedpur, SIBM Pune, NMIMS Mumbai, SPJN Mumbai, IIT Delhi and IIFT Delhi. इन कॉलेजेस में से if you get a call and you get an admission, then you get 100% of your course fee as a reward. अगर ब्लैकी में होता है तो 100% and other B schools में होता है तो 75% तक का आपका course fee will be given to you as a reward. On the other hand, जो full मेहनत करके equal efforts डाल के भी उनका CAT नहीं हो पाता है for some reason, some external factors pitch in, on the D-day something happens, mocks अच्छे से जाते हैं पर D-day पे कुछ हो जाता है. These are very normal situations, and if you are one of the victims of that, then you don't have to worry about कि सर मेरे से हो जाता, उस दिन अगर ये नहीं होता तो मेरे से हो जाता, उस दिन अगर मेरी तबीयत ठीक होती तो हो जाता, या उस दिन अगर if I were not too anxious, मेरी एंजाइटी इतनी हाई नहीं होती तो हो जाता. For some or the other reasons, these external factors, they pitch in and then you lose out on your entire performance, right? So for you guys, if you're planning on giving CAT 2026, then that's all on us. That is, you will get access to CAT 2026 ka batch also. दैट मीन्स हम आपका टाइम तो रिटर्न नहीं कर सकते, बट एटलीस्ट ऑन द मॉनिटरी पार्ट वी कुड बी अ contributor. ठीक है, provided you have to maintain at least 60% activity on the platform, whether it is classes or giving mocks or practice sessions or doing practice or asking doubts, ये सब मिलाकर जो एक्टिविटी का आपका पैनल बनता है वहां पे एटलीस्ट 60% अगर आपकी एक्टिविटी है, then you're eligible for it. This comes as a part of your pro batch. Yeah, so you can go check this out. It's all available on the description. और साथ में ही एक गूगल फॉर्म भी है विच इज एन इंक्वायरी फॉर्म. Don't forget to fill that up. That will help us give you better guidance whenever, however required. I hope this video was informative. I hope this was helpful. All the very best for your future. Cheers.